Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, nothing changes in the Nigerian space. It only seems to get worse, and it seems to worsen on a daily basis. Guys, I bring you this. Buhari supporters beat up popular activist Deji Adeyanju. So that's this headline. Buhari supporters beat up popular activist Deji Adeyanju. Popular human rights activist Deji Adeyanju was seriously injured after supporters of the Buhari administration attacked him during a protest against the continued illegal detention of human rights activist and Sahara Reporters publisher Omoyele Sowore. A reporter for Arise TV who covered the protest said pro-Buhari demonstrators violently disrupted it, chasing Mr. Adeyanju and others from the venue. An amateur video shared on Twitter showed some youths singing praises of President Muhammadu Buhari advancing towards the kick-off venue of the protest outside of the National Human Rights Commission. The protest held on Monday morning after the expiration of a 2-week ultimatum which activists issued to Mr. Buhari to order immediate compliance to outstanding court orders by federal law enforcement authorities. The Lagos leg of the demonstration also held in Lagos on Monday with light attendance. So now there's a copious photographs to back this up, because of course this thing was captured by a camera crew that was there to witness the protest, but now it's now degenerating now to actual physical assault. So it's degenerating now to actual physical assault, and of course the progression of that is what we all know. We'll be mourning somebody fairly soon, I'm pretty sure of that, all off the back of the citizens of the country asking the government in power to comply with the rule of law. This is really all they're asking for. They are asking you to comply with the rule of law and to govern the country in the right way, and to, weigh in the interest of the people rather than in sectarian, sectional, or selfish interest. And all of these demands, which are reasonable demands in any climate, never mind a democratic climate, has resulted now in the beating up of this fella. But then this beating up, of course, is just the first stanza in a long narrative that is going to play to a very, very bitter end. Conversations in the comment section, they are now starting to beat up the protesters. It's now the next step of this regime that we have in Nigeria. So what now is the progression from this is the question really, because if they are beating people up now, then what next step is there from there? So this is really the question we're asking. Come share thoughts about this new development with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this now new development, this beating up of Deji and whatnot in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.